This video is going to cover some troubleshooting that you can do on a Kiwa Q1 Hummer headlight and horn if you're having issues with these. There's a couple of things that could be going on if you're having a light issue or a horn issue or both. If you're having both, if neither are working, it's likely what's going on is inside the body of the scooter, the connection is just loose. And it probably just needs to be put back together. If one is working over the other, then what may have happened is either the circuit board inside is having an issue or the item itself is having an issue, whether it's the lights or the horn. So kind of starting from the top, if it was an issue with both and they're both not working, what you want to do is open up the deck, which refer to another video we have on our website on how to do that. And then once you open the deck up, you're going to see how all the wires here come down and work their way down the side of the battery. And the one we're looking for is a black, red, and green here that goes to yellow, black, and green. And that's the connection for the light and horn. So that's all you really need to do to swap it out. You would just have to take off each of these zip ties and then just kind of pull back the mesh. And then you're going to see two screws on the back of either side here. It splits in two. Put the new one on, run the wire down, and then you can replace the whole module. But I would first check to see if just the connection is loose. Sometimes when this battery jostles around, if it does, it could pop this off a little bit or pull out one of the individual pins. So just assessing the wiring connection itself could really help. But in the event only one of the items works, then what we can do is you can either replace the whole module, or these are designed to be modular interiorly too. What you can see here is you have a harness, a wiring clip for the horn and light independently. So if you wanted to, you can just separate the existing piece into two, access the circuit board, and pop off the defective piece, the horn or the light, and put the new one on. That is also an option. Just make sure that you have killed power to the system because of course you just want to do it safely. But other than that, that really covers the lot of it. That should really cover probably 95% of any issues you might be having outside of just a random wiring issue somewhere. So I hope that solves your issue and explains how to change out the light for you. Oh, and please note, when you get a new replacement harness or module, light module in the mail, we send it with the clip and pins separated very often. So you'll just have to press the individual pins through the clip itself. We do that just to help with running the wire. It's more of a factor on things that have to go through this tube here, so we do it for all. But and you don't have to do that for the light and horn, but it's just something that we do for all of our pieces. So when you plug it in, just make sure you match the existing one, and then you should be good to go.